Hey guys, Craig again with howtopest.com. Today we're going to show you how to do a flea treatment. This is a beautiful spring day and this is the start for many people of flea season, and getting into the summertime it's going to get even heavier. You can get fleas and ticks year round. This treatment will take care of flea and ticks outdoor or indoor. So we're going to show you how to do the whole conundrum of flea and tick treatments and show you the plethora and arsenal we're going to give you. So we have the Precor 2625. This is our flea and tick treatment aerosol. It's going to have a IGR in the can. IGR means it's a insect growth regulator, which means it's not only going to kill just your adults, it's going to kill every stage of the flea and tick. Then we have your Delta Dust. Delta Dust is a fantastic product for two reasons. It holds up really well in water, and the residual will be months on end unless you just specifically wash this away or have a flash flood. Great for areas that you cannot do a liquid spray. Gentrol is going to be one of our IGR concentrates. Some of the kits will come with Teco. They're both IGRs. They're both fantastic. You're going to mix that with the concentrate of your choice. The pick that we have put in the packs is the Temprid FX. This is a beautiful product, labeled for indoor outdoors, as well as all these products we're showing you. They are both indoor outdoor products. One of these Temprids is going to mix with 1 gallon of water. So you'll see with the packs, you get more Temprids or less Temprids. It's all the size area that you're dealing with. So if you have a smaller area, 1 gallon of concentrate will treat, more than enough for you. If you have a larger lawn, you may need 4 of these for 4 gallons. You may need a larger concentrate, like something like the Gentrol, but an FX or, your choice of flea concentrate. We have a multitude of them on the site. These are just the picks that we put in there. When we do flea jobs, this is how we do it. I'm gonna walk you through it. So the first thing we do when we get to an outdoor flea treatment is we make sure the water is off. The water needs to remain off for at least 24 hours. You need to let this chemical have time to adhere in the bushes or on the lawns. So once we mix our concentrate, we mix the proper dose of IGR in the concentrate in your sprayer. And if you need a sprayer, we have those too. But if you have your own sprayer, make sure it is thoroughly rinsed out at least 3 times before you put the fresh chemical in. Once you put those two together, you're going to mix it up really well. You're going to do a backwards walk, fanning the lawn or grass area as you walk out of the area. You're also going to treat, if you follow me over here, you're going to treat your bushes. Shaded areas are very important for fleas and ticks. You want to treat areas that are not only shaded, but where your pets may rest during the day. That's where they're going to pick up most of those fleas. So you're either going to put your concentrate underneath there, or you're going to take your dust, like Delta Dust, already has a little notch on it. You're just going to shake it really well. Here's a pro tip. We take the top off. We have dusters we usually use, but you can take the top off of this, put a penny inside there. It's going to help agitate the dust as you shake. You're going to shake this. You're going to do light puffs underneath the bushes or trees. The reason you're doing light, you don't want this to clump. It's made to float to get to all the areas. So same thing inside. If you're going to treat behind baseboards, especially inside like box springs of mattresses, it's going to be light puffs of dust. This is a great product for those two things we just talked about, the mattresses and behind like outlets, areas you cannot get a liquid in, light puffs of dust. The Precor 25 is going to be great for your box springs also. It's going to be great for patio furniture, things that you want to just easily be able to get to with the can and just give them a light spray. Always follow the labels, it'll walk you through it. So if you do those procedures that we've just walked you through, whether it be indoor or outdoor, you're really going to take care of that flea and tick problem in one treatment. Indoors, remember to vacuum. The first thing you're going to do on an indoor treatment is vacuum and wash all pet bedding and anything else that you can wash on the hottest cycle and dry it on the hottest cycle. Once you've done that, discard any of the bags if you have them in the vacuums, or if it's a canister, make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. But vacuum, 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 I can't say it enough. That's going to eliminate a lot of the adults right away and the eggs. Then go ahead and start your treatment process. Indoors, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to mix your FX up, your Temprid FX, you're going to go and you're going to do carpet areas. You can also do carpet areas with the Precor. The 2625, in case you're curious, it's the area that it covers. We also have a Precor 2000, a smaller can. So you just have to decide on how big your area is and how much chemical you actually need. On the inside, after you vacuum, after you do the washing of the linens or the carpets, dog bedding for sure, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to start your spraying of the carpets. Then you're going to do your dusting in the areas you need to do that, and then finish off with your Precor to touch up in areas that you just too hard to get the wand to, or it's just easier to use the aerosol can. If you guys have any further questions as we get into flea season, or if you're having an issue right now and you need us to walk you through it, we would be happy to do that. Every situation is unique, so we're happy to walk you through the package when you get it. We know that sometimes it's overwhelming and you're wondering, how do I use this stuff? We're happy to just help you out. Just give us a call at howtopest.com or call the phone number. Thanks.